Access Control, Alvin, Texas. Are you looking for an access control company in Alvin, Texas? We can help. Nexlar specializes in access control and security gate automation. We provide service in Alvin, Texas. We offer a wide range of commercial security solutions to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. Nexlar specializes in installing and maintaining these systems for businesses of all sizes. With the right expertise in lock hardware, you can ensure your company will have the best system installed. Whether you are looking to secure your doors or gate, we can help. We work with the latest technology in card readers, magnetic locks, electronic strikes, and locks. Nexlar has worked with several companies over the years, and we are proud to have made their businesses safer in Alvin, Texas. Schedule your free access control on-site estimate today. Call us today, 281-407-0768. Visit us at https://www.nexlar.com/access control installation/Alvin access control/.